Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is your boy I Like Your Style. The match between Bafana Bafana and Uganda ended with 2-2 draw. Before the match, Bafana Bafana have a good record against Uganda, winning 4 games and drawing 1 game. The formation of the two teams, Bafana Bafana, Veli Motwa, Khuliso Mudau Ngezana, Dotli, Mudiba, Sithole, Teboho Mokoena, Mokwana, Themba Zwane, Apollos, Lyle Foster. Uganda, Watenga, Womono, Mugabi, Kapradosi, Kayondo, Ocho, Mutyaba, Sekinda, Omedi, Mukwala, and Mato. First few minutes, Bafana Bafana were playing a good football. They were being positive, creating chances in the first few minutes. 13 minutes in the game, Bafana Bafana scored the first goal of the match. The goal scored by Lyle Foster. 22 minutes in the game, Oswin Apollos was one-on-one with the goalkeeper and he did not score. Apollos is a very good player, but he does not have last touch. Bafana Bafana was playing good football, creating great opportunities with the influence of Themba Zwane and Teboho Mokoena in the had the chance to go in the dressing room with their coaches. 10 minutes from the halftime, the player called Omedi, the Ugandan player, with the long range. The goalkeeper didn't see that one coming. In my opinion, I don't think he deserved to be in the starting lineup for Bafana Bafana. Veli Motwa. 3 minutes later, the scoreline is now 2-1. Veli Motwa again. I don't know what was he doing because the second goal went through his hands. Uganda kept on testing Bafana Bafana goalkeeper. The equalizing goal for Bafana Bafana came in additional time with Talente Mbata, helping Bafana Bafana to share points with Uganda. Thanks for watching the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe.